Welcome to the Tactical Review's supplementary video review of the Fenix TK25 and although not musical, this is the R&B version for red and blue LEDs. So before we show how this particular model deals with colour changing, let's just have a very quick look around it. So on the tail cap we've got the main switch and the mode switch. Interesting set of contacts inside the tail cap. As you can see, the battery tube has this additional connector which runs through the battery tube but provides another connection path for, I think, the signal from the mode changing switch. And on the body of the light we have a little indicator, and in this case it's next to the W. If we turn the head, it lifts and falls back down again. Here we've got the C for coloured, and again this lift and drop, and it will just keep going round, so you can just keep going the same way. And if we have a little look at what's going on in the reflector, so we've actually got a twin reflector here, and on the white the LEDs are the same, and then turning the head it lifts off the LEDs and sits back down on the other two LEDs. So you can see that actually there's a square formation of all the LEDs, and here we've got the red and the blue, the red clearly visible. So on the coloured setting it actually always defaults to the high red. Tap the mode once and we get low red, and then onto blue. And now in this case there is no memory, so as soon as we go off and on again we're onto high red, low red, blue. So there's no direct access to the blue, and when the light is off, pressing on the mode switch gives us direct access to the red when we're in the coloured mode, and in the white mode, which does have level memory, so here it's remembered the low level, pressing the mode switch gives us strobe. So one last look at how the LEDs are changed.